to another video. Today we have the Ace hardware ad from December 1st to December 24th. I know we are late. I do apologize for this. It's been a really busy month. I've been having a few issues health-wise, so excuse that. But you still have a whole week to get these deals, or swing by Ace Hardware, see what you can pick up. Got some great deals, Craftsman. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy tools like this, Mac to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help us out by doing so. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So we got valid December 1st through the 24th. Like I said, you still got a whole week. I will try to upload this today, Friday, for you guys. So let's see here. It says your choice. It says tool sets, mechanics, 20-piece SAE metric ratcheting set, 10-piece socket accessory adjustable, mechanics tool set, 10-piece metric ratcheting wrench set. So it's these here on the bottom here. So according to this, there are $19.99 each. So I guess, hey, these are pretty nice little sets for 20 bucks. This is a ratcheting, yeah, this is a ratcheting wrench set. It's a, what is this, SAE ratchet set, adjustable mechanics tool set. Yeah, this is a 10-piece metric ratcheting wrench set for $19.99, guys. That's a really good deal. So definitely swing by your Ace Hardware and pick some of these up. Hopefully there's still some left. And then you got this universal adapter here. You got long extensions. You got universal here, like swivels. And then this one is a nice little case. I don't know if this is compatible with the Versus Stack or not from Craftsman. Anyways, moving on to the Craftsman power tools. So we got, let's see here. Oh, and just to remember you guys, these prices are after you guys get the rewards with the rewards card. It's very simple. It's free. All you have to do is give me your phone number and your information, and pretty much your address and stuff like that, and that's it. You know, it takes you like 5 minutes to do that. It's no big deal. I already have that, and they'll give you this discount, the $5 discount and the $10 here. Alright, so $10 with the Ace rewards, so $59.99 each. Craftsman B20 or Power Tools B20 lithium impact driver. You got the corded, is that corded? I thought it was cordless. Yeah, it's corded. Reciprocating saw, corded circular saw. The V20 lithium drill driver, corded jigsaw. So the only cordless tools is the impact driver and the drill driver. Just keep that in mind. I believe they are brush tools. It doesn't say brushless. But still, at $59.99, pretty good deals there for the DIY if you're a homeowner. You got Ace tool sets, 253-piece drill driver bit sets. Got a 100-piece screwdriving bit sets. Probably this. You got a 10-piece combination plier set and a 44-piece tool set. Guys, these are some great deals here, especially if you're a DIY, you don't have any tools. Look at all the pliers you're going to get for $19.99. Look at all the screwdrivers and bits. That's a whole lot of bits. Anyways, moving on to the $4.99 deals. They got Craftsman Crescent. Says your choice here. Wow, there's a lot of Crescent tools here. $4.99, $2 with the rewards card. Crescent Craftsman Tools accessory. You got 6-inch adjustable wrench, 5-piece Phillips slotted screwdriver set. 13-inch tool bag. That's a nice tool bag. I got that from last year. It's really nice. As a matter of fact, I believe the kit came in with 2 of them, and I believe I gave one away as just a gift or something like that. So and they still have it. They love it too. So 13-inch tool bag, 9-inch torpedo level. You got a 7-inch aluminum rafters angle square. It's a nice little square. You got a 6-piece spring clamp set. I believe it's this one. So anyways, that's $4.99. These are great little stuffers. You know, if you want to give them a power tool and add one of these little smaller bit sets or something like that. Alright, it says here exclusively for Ace Hardware members, free assembly and delivery, grills and accessories, $3.99 and up. So there you go, guys, for grills. Alright, we got the Walt. Alright, the first one here, the first, if I can, alright, yeah, I'll click on it. Okay, DeWalt 20 volt max lithium drill and impact driver kit. Sale $169.99, minus 30 with the Ace Rewards card. Total price is $139.99. It's an okay deal. It's not the best deal because personally I like brushless tools. I'll definitely get brushless, and that's what I'm. But these are great for the DIY because it's already including the bits. It's already like a to-go kit. Pretty much to start working. So that's a nice little kit for $139. Let's see here. Let's check out the $199 deal here that they have. So they got the Walt 20 volt max brushless lithium power tools, $129.99 with minus $30 for this rewards card, so $99 each. It says compact circular saw, one-handed reciprocating saw. So all these tools are $99. Each of these tools, to be exact. So you get to choose from many of these. They got the, looks like, I wish they gave you model numbers. All they give you is like SKU numbers on here. They don't give you any model numbers. This seems like just the basic drills here. Drill driver, impact driver. You got a circular saw. You got oscillating tool. Guys, this is a great oscillating tool. I would definitely get this oscillating tool and this one-handed reciprocating saw. But yeah, this is a great oscillating tool. Make sure you guys get that if that's in your interest. All right, here's the buy this, get more. What is this? More of these free. How does this work? You buy these and you get one of these free. All right, so $3.99 Milwaukee M18 fuel lithium-ion hammer drill and impact driver kit for $3.99. So I guess you buy these for $3.99 and you get these two for free. So M18 lithium-ion LED work lights and Endurance M18 lithium-ion circular saw. Let's check this out. Yeah, I guess that's the way it is. You buy that M18 fuel kit, hammer drill and impact driver, and get both of these free, the LED and Endurance. So you basically got a 4-tool combo kit for $4.99. Well, actually a 3-tool combo kit if you want to count that. But yeah, these are fuel tools, so you're getting brushless tools there. I don't know about this is brushless or not, I'm not sure. On this one, moving on to Craftsman toolboxes. You got Craftsman 5-drawer ball bearing tool center, 227 mechanics, or a 227-piece mechanics tool set. It says no limit, so $99 each. I wish I could look for them. Okay, so 5-drawer, yeah, it doesn't give me the pictures somehow. It's not working right. So on this one, you got to buy this, get both of these free. So you buy this griddle, cooking station, and you get the cover and the accessories there for free. Alright, so let's see here. You got some accessory or some smart devices, helpful gifts for everyone on your list. You got a work light here, LED work light. You got speaker bulb. Wow, a bulb that sings to you. Funny. And you got the Duracell battery there. It looks like a battery. Rechargeable power bank. Is that a power bank? Yeah. And then you got some smart devices. You got a nice speaker radio there, / radio. All right, back to the tools here. We got Fate electric portable LED flip work light or a Nebo LED flashlight for $19.99. Nice. This looks like really nice lights there. You got instant savings $2 on those batteries. All right, it looks like these are not tools. It looks like these are just other stuff that they're selling. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. I do apologize for the last page. I could not get that to load up. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you in the next one.